So the story that I was walking approximately 2 weeks ago at morning to work, I spotted two objects besides the trash. It is completely normal in the Netherlands to put out small objects. Usually not on those hours. You can put out your small things and garbage collector is going to garbage collect it. Well, people like me like to go around at that time and salvage, but it was outside hours. It was very interesting. Found a plate, I found a picture. This distinguished gentleman was lying beside the trash, and I decided to bring him home. This one. As you might see, it has a beautiful shell rim, but it is slightly broken, a piece missing. Well, this thing is very important to me. My grandmother, who passed away a couple of years back, had a jewelry set with the same design, with the same material. It's actually, you can see, it's alpaca. I decided to make an attempt to fix it and put it to use. Let's start. So the objective here is to fill up the hole and color match it until it inherently looks no different from the rest of the plates. I want to color match it with the base of the plate, this kind of goldish, silverish, a tiny bit darkish material, the alpaca. So my weapons here are some sanding sponge, some power tools, and some epokit. There is a saying about epokit that you can fix anything with it in a household, from a broken window frame to a failing marriage. It is really important to follow the instructions on the epokit. Mine was saying that I have to mush it together to mix up the two ingredients to make it stick and make it harden up. Next step is to realize that after the appropriate drying time, the willingness in epokit to succumb to smoothness is a willingness of a cat getting a bath. Basically none. I had a few more feeble attempts to try to tame this beast, but it was futile. And with no success, neither with the sanding paper or with the power tools. Well, what can I say? Epokit is a vicious beast. And there comes the point when sturdy power tools got exchanged with delicate paintbrushes. Never underestimate the amount of masking tape you can use in a DIY project, because it can save you later from a lot of cleaning. The objective here is to protect the rest of the plate from the spray paint and the rest of the work processes, and we kept adding masking tape and more masking tape and more masking tape until the whole plate looked like it was a part of an ancient Egyptian burial rite. After another appropriate drying time of the spray paint, we removed the masking tape so we can more appropriately color match the piece to the surroundings of it. For the grand task of color matching, I used 3 colors additional to the first layer of silver spray paint. I used raw sienna, I used blacks, and I used metallic gold. There were other techniques I considered to use to repair this precious thing, including that I'm going to get some pieces of these abalone shells and glue it in, or get some foils that is very popular in nail art and glue that one on, but I would always know that that part is plastic, and that's not the thing I want, and I never felt that it is challenging me enough. This project was really challenging for me because I was not entirely sure that I can produce the same color to match up, and this epokit I used originally was made for repairing metal pipes, so I was just hoping that it's going to stick to the alpaca. But I had tremendous fun, and here it is. A successful project, a beautiful bowl that's probably going to hold our keys, and it's just going to decorate our home instead of clogging up a landfill somewhere. And I feel like it's worth the time, it's worth the effort, and we just saved something and just filled up the hole and made something beautiful again. And if something is the goal, this is the one. Well, lovelies, this is it for today. I'm happy to see you back, and I hope you enjoy this project, and see you again at the next full moon. Bye!